On what seemed like just another ordinary day, the world was about to be turned upside down. The digital realm was suddenly thrown into a whirlwind of chaos and speculation. A story erupted online. A top-secret, ultra-clear image of the interstellar object known as 3I Atlas had been leaked from NASA's vaults. Anonymous sources claimed this was the most detailed photo ever captured of our mysterious cosmic visitor, so profound and revealing, NASA had no choice but to keep it under wraps. NASA's response: utter silence. No press release, no denial, not even a whisper. This unusual quiet only fueled the fires of suspicion. Was there more to 3I Atlas than just a simple comet passing by? The vacuum left by NASA was quickly filled with wild speculation, theories, and a palpable sense of excitement. Suddenly, one of the world's most trusted scientific institutions found itself at the epicenter of a global storm of intrigue and curiosity. The public was left to wonder, is this the moment we finally learn we're not alone in the universe, or is it just an elaborate hoax? The story had transcended the realm of astronomy. It had become a gripping drama of secrets, trust, and cosmic mystery that captivated the world. Every passing hour of silence from NASA added weight to the claims and intensified the global anticipation. 3I Atlas had become a global phenomenon, compelling it all to look up and ask, what aren't we being told, and what does this mean for humanity? The world waited, breathless and on edge, for the next revelation that could change everything we thought we knew. Before the controversy, there was discovery. The world was about to witness a cosmic event that would capture imaginations and ignite debates across the globe. In the warm summer of 2025, high atop the volcanic peaks of Hawaii, the Atlas system, an array of robotic telescopes designed to scan the heavens for threats, detected something unusual. A faint moving point of light appeared against the backdrop of countless stars, almost lost in the vastness of space. At first, astronomers thought it was just another asteroid or comet passing through our solar system. But as they tracked its motion, they noticed something extraordinary. Its path was hyperbolic, meaning it was not bound to our sun. This object was moving too fast to be captured by the sun's gravity, destined to pass through and continue on its journey into the unknown. This revelation meant only one thing. It had come from interstellar space, making it just the third such object ever discovered by humanity. Its arrival was a rare cosmic event, a visitor from another star system. The object was soon named 3 Atlas, following in the footsteps of its famous predecessors. ʻOumuamua, the mysterious cigar-shaped traveler, and comet Borisov, the first confirmed interstellar comet. Each of these objects had challenged our understanding of the universe, and now, 3I Atlas promised new secrets. Every interstellar visitor is a priceless galactic gift, a time capsule carrying ancient material from distant stars. These objects are like messengers, offering clues about the birth and evolution of planetary systems far beyond our own. The scientific community was electrified. News of the discovery spread rapidly, sparking excitement and curiosity among astronomers, planetary scientists, and even the general public. Telescopes around the world, from small backyard setups to massive professional observatories, turned their gaze skyward to study this rare interstellar visitor. International collaborations formed overnight, as everyone raced to gather as much data as possible before the object slipped away forever. As 3I Atlas approached the sun, it began to change. The heat caused its ices to vaporize, forming a glowing coma and a long streaming tail, classic signs of a comet in action. The sun's intense energy vaporized the comet's frozen gases, releasing clouds of dust and vapor that streamed out into space, creating a spectacular display visible even through modest telescopes. For most scientists, this was the confirmation they needed. 3I Atlas was indeed an interstellar comet, not just a wandering rock. Its behavior matched what they expected from a comet born in another solar system. The discovery was a breakthrough, offering a rare and precious glimpse into the chemistry and makeup of worlds beyond our own. By studying its light and composition, scientists hope to unlock secrets about the building blocks of planets and the origins of life itself. Researchers raced against time, analyzing the spectrum of light reflected and emitted by the comet. Every observation was a chance to learn how other star systems form, evolve, and perhaps even harbor life. Yet, as the world watched in awe, no one could have predicted that this scientific marvel, would soon become the center of a global conspiracy, changing the way we see the universe and ourselves forever. From the very beginning, the discovery of 3I Atlas sparked a whirlwind of debate and divided opinions among astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. The scientific community found itself split, with some experts quick to categorize the object, while others urged caution and deeper investigation. Most scientists leaned toward a familiar explanation. It looked and behaved just like a classic comet, sporting a glowing coma and a long streaming tail of dust and gas. Its icy composition and the way it interacted with sunlight seemed to fit the textbook definition of a comet perfectly, reinforcing the mainstream view. Yet, a vocal minority refused to accept this conclusion without question. Among them was Harvard's Avi Loeb, who boldly challenged the consensus. He and others asked, what if this object wasn't a comet at all, but something far more extraordinary? They highlighted subtle but significant anomalies in the object's trajectory and fluctuations in its brightness. These oddities didn't quite match what would be expected from a natural comet, leading some to speculate about a possible artificial origin, perhaps even evidence of alien technology. Could it be an alien probe sent intentionally through our solar system? The idea, while controversial, captured imaginations and fueled further debate. Was this a natural wanderer, or a visitor with a purpose? This wasn't a claim of certainty, but rather a passionate call to keep an open mind. The scientific process thrives on skepticism and curiosity, and this mystery demanded both. The debate quickly escalated, becoming a dramatic clash between the established norms of mainstream science and the bold, sometimes radical speculations of those willing to challenge the status quo. The presence of credible dissent within the scientific community made the public more receptive to alternative theories, including the possibility of a cover-up or hidden knowledge about the object's true nature. The comet versus craft debate didn't just intrigue scientists, it primed the entire world for a cosmic mystery, inviting speculation and wonder on a global scale. So when rumors began to swirl about a leaked image, an alleged photograph that might reveal the object's secrets, those rumors landed on fertile ground, ready to ignite imaginations everywhere. 3I Atlas was no longer just a distant comet. It had become a battleground for cosmic possibility, a symbol of humanity's endless curiosity and our willingness to question the unknown. Mainstream science built a strong case for 3I Atlas as a natural object. Telescopes captured its coma and tail, classic signs of a comet. The sun's energy caused ices to sublimate, releasing gas and dust. Spectroscopy revealed familiar molecules like cyanogen, common in local comets. Its high speed matched expectations for an interstellar visitor. Every observation fit the comet model. No need for exotic explanations. For scientists, 3I Atlas was a pristine sample from another star system. The excitement was about what it could teach us, not about aliens. The consensus, extraordinary claims need extraordinary evidence, and so far, the data pointed to nature. On the other side, the alien technology hypothesis. Avi Loeb and others argued, what if 3I Atlas is a probe, not a comet? They questioned the standard interpretation, highlighting oddities in its trajectory. Could the coma be an exhaust plume, not vaporized ice? They drew parallels to ʻOumuamua, which also defied easy explanation. Loeb suggested we shouldn't dismiss the possibility of alien artifacts. Interstellar objects could be probes or relics, not just rocks. For these thinkers, it's scientific duty to investigate every possibility. This perspective made the idea of a NASA cover-up irresistible to some. The biggest scientific puzzle. Where's the water? Most comets are rich in water ice, but 3I Atlas's water signature was faint or missing. Some studies hinted at water, others found none. This ambiguity fueled speculation. Was the coma from something other than ice? Alien tech proponents saw the missing water as suspicious. Maybe the object was metal or rock, with a coma from a technological process. Mainstream astronomers countered, detecting water at such distances is tough. Interstellar comets might just be different, with other ices like carbon monoxide. The mystery deepened, but natural explanations remained plausible. The controversy now centers on the alleged leaked image. Anonymous sources claim it shows a geometric, metallic object, nothing like a comet. They describe smooth surfaces, defined edges, and features that look engineered. The image reportedly lacks the jets of gas expected from an active comet. If true, this would be extraordinary evidence for an artificial origin. The sources insist NASA is hiding the image to avoid global upheaval, but without the image being released and verified, it's all hearsay. The claims are dramatic, but unproven. The world waits for proof, fact or fiction. The scandal hinges on whether the image is real or an elaborate hoax. NASA's silence is now the story. Normally quick to debunk rumors, the agency has said nothing about the leak. For cover-up believers, this is almost an admission of guilt. Others argue NASA is simply ignoring baseless claims, or preparing a careful response. Either way, the silence has fueled speculation and let the narrative spiral. In the public eye, silence can look like guilt. NASA now faces a dilemma: speak up and risk fanning the flames, or stay silent and lose control of the story. The agency's credibility is on the line. The world is watching, waiting for answers. The mystery of 3I Atlas has brought us to a crossroads. The next step hinges on the leaked image. Will it be released and verified? If it's fake, the conspiracy collapses. If real, it changes everything. Meanwhile, scientists continue to observe, searching for definitive evidence. A clear detection of water or a natural coma could settle the debate, but continued ambiguity will only deepen the mystery. This saga is a lesson in how narratives take hold, especially when alien life is involved. It reflects our hopes, fears, and the human urge to believe. For now, we wait. For NASA, for the image, for the next discovery. Whether 3I Atlas is ice or artifact, it's already changed how we see the cosmos. The final chapter is unwritten, and the world is watching.